Why would you do that?
I'm locking my car.
I wasn't trying to break into it.
I didn't think you were.
Then why would you set the alarm right as I walked by?
It was just a coincidence.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
Why are you by your front door?
What does that have to do with anything?
It means you didn't just leave your car. Most people set their alarms when they get out of their car and close the door.
Look, I just remembered that I hadn't locked it.
So you just remembered just as I was passing by?
Yeah.
Because you thought I wanted to break in?
No, I didn't.
Then you just wanted to scare me and see me jump?
No.
Yeah, you wanted to see me jump like a little scaredy cat. Well, mission accomplished. You got me.
It wasn't on purpose.
I bet your stupid little camera up there was recording the whole time and you're just gonna rewatch me jump.
I was just locking my car, dude.
Whatever. Now that was definitely on purpose.
Yeah, that one I'll be rewatching on the camera.